Hello, lovelies. Are you a fan of potatoes, guys? Join me. Let's make this amazing, delicious, and good looking potatoes recipe, you guys. I actually baked this, so if you love potatoes like I do, please join me. Be my guest as we make this recipe together. It is very easy and delicious to make, guys, and it looks really delicious and yummy. So join me, let's cook this. So I actually use like 10 medium-sized potatoes for this recipe. I actually slice them into reasonable sizes like you can see in the video, and later on I just put some water in a pot and pour in the potatoes and put some salt and cook this for about 15 minutes, guys. So after that I was like, okay, my potatoes can be cooking, and then I start frying my meat, you guys. So in a hot pan, I added some oil and then some butter, and I allow it to melt. After which I added some some garlic to make sure that I fry the garlic a bit to get the flavor before I add the meat. After stir frying the garlic for like 2 minutes, I added the grounded meat and just stir fry. I just keep stir frying this for some time. Then while I allow it to cook, I went straight away to slice my onion, my carrot, my green onion, and also some parsley, so that I'm gonna be adding this to the grounded meat for taste, and also because I need some vegetables as well. So I'm gonna be adding the vegetable into the stir fry grounded meat, and then now just gonna stir fry this for some time, and then I will allow it to cook for like 5 minutes. Then I went straight back to my potatoes, and after 15 minutes they are ready. I took them out and drained the water, and then I went back to my grounded meat, and I just added some some liquid milk, added some chili pepper, and then I added some black pepper, added some spice, and then I added some salt, and I just stir fried everything, just stir everything together. And yeah, it's looking really nice. It has some a bit moist, not too dry, just the way I want it. And then yeah, it's time for us to start putting everything together so that we can bake this. So I had to grate some cheese that I also be needing for this recipe. I did that really quick, and then after which I went straight to putting everything together in a big pan and getting everything ready. almost done with this recipe. And then this is my bake pan that I'm gonna be using for this recipe. I just added some oil and make sure that I put it all over the pan to make sure that I don't have anything, you know, when you want to take the when your meal is ready and you want to take it out and it's refusing to come out because you didn't have enough liquid under the pot or the fry pan or the bake pan when you were about laying your potatoes and all of that. So this is really important, you guys. So make sure you put the oil under it, and then I added some cheese, then put the grounded meat that we already stay fried, and it really tastes good and delicious. So yeah, and then we added again the potatoes and then add some cheese, and we bake this in a preheated oven for 118 degrees for about 25 minutes, and everything was ready and good to go. And your recipe is ready. I just added a bit of spicy again for the color, and look at it, it looks really delicious, you guys. I really enjoy myself eating this. I cannot lie to you. You have to make this at home and tell me how it turned out. If you love this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't, and see you in my next video. Enjoy the recipe, and thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you guys.